Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Let's Cook. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that is loved all over the world. Yes, you guessed it right, fried chicken. Fried chicken can be made at home quite easily using very simple ingredients. If you follow the recipe, you can make great fried chicken every time. See how juicy the fried chicken looks? Now let's see how it's done. For making fried chicken, we need to make buttermilk. For that, I will take about 1 cup of milk in a mixing bowl. To the milk, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use vinegar in place of lemon juice. If you want, you can also buy buttermilk. This is just a very easy recipe. Now we are going to keep the milk undisturbed for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our buttermilk is ready. See how the milk has curdled? This is an indication that our buttermilk is done. Now to the buttermilk, let's add the chicken pieces. Here I've taken some drumsticks, chicken wings, chicken thigh pieces and breast pieces. To the buttermilk and chicken, it's time to add about 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Two eggs, salt according to taste, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, finally, let's sprinkle some oregano, about 1 teaspoon of oregano. We've added all the ingredients to our chicken. Now it's time to mix the chicken properly with all the ingredients. Our chicken is ready for marination. We will marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours. It is best to marinate the chicken overnight in a refrigerator. Now it's time to make the seasoned flour for coating our chicken pieces. For that I've taken about 1.5 cup of flour, to which I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now these two are optional. About 1 teaspoon of oregano, one teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of black pepper powder, and now it's time to mix all the spices properly with the flour. And our flour mixture is ready. In this frying pan, I've taken some refined oil and I'll keep it and I'll let it heat up. I have marinated the chicken overnight, took it out from the refrigerator, and I've let it come to room temperature. Now it's time to coat our chicken. First, we're going to take the chicken pieces out of the buttermilk mixture. Marinating the chicken in buttermilk will make the chicken very much juicy. Do not discard this buttermilk. We will need it in the next step. Now it's time to coat our chicken. For that, I'm going to take one chicken piece, coat it very well in the seasoned flour mixture. Make sure the coating is very good. This will give result to a very crispy fried chicken. I'm going to double coat this, so I'm going to dip it again in the buttermilk mixture in which the chicken has been marinating. And finally, we will give it the last coat of the seasoned flour. We will coat it properly on all the sides. Do not leave any gaps. Let's dust off the excess flour. And this chicken piece is properly coated and ready for frying. In this way, let's coat the other pieces. See, we have coated some chicken pieces. Now it's time to fry the chicken pieces. Let's place the chicken in oil which should be medium hot. Do not place it in very hot oil, otherwise the chicken will burn but it will remain raw. Now we are going to fry the chicken in the lowest flame. Let's cover it and we are going to cook it on each side for about 7 minutes. Make sure the flame is at the lowest. The chicken has been frying for the last 7 minutes and now it's time to flip the pieces. Perfectly golden brown chicken. We will cover the pan and cook it on the other side for another 6 to 7 minutes. Let's check again. See what a lovely fried chicken. It is going to be very crispy. Let us flip it one more time. And we will fry it for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. The chicken has been frying for around 15 minutes and now it's time to take them out of the hot oil. See how beautiful the fried chicken looks? Let's take them out one by one. And our fried chicken is ready. Let's fry the other pieces. Looks so tempting, isn't it? try out the recipe and let me know how it was. Let's see. See how juicy the fried chicken has turned out. This is all because of the buttermilk that we had used for marinating the chicken. It was so tasty. If you like this recipe and video, please subscribe to my channel and do like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you guys in the next episode.